Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through what to do when your Epson printer all of a sudden notifies you that your ink pad needs service. To fix this, we are going to change your ink pad and reset your counter. So stay with me and I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to do this. And I'll also show you how to fix this yourself without spending a dime. So let's get started. We're going to head on over to resetkey.net. I'll also leave the link in the description below. We're going to download the WIC utility. Since I have Windows, I will download here. If you have a Mac, you will download where it says Mac download. You'll see the download on the top right hand side of your computer. Once it's done downloading, you will need to double click on the application, select Run, select where you would like to install your files, and then click on Extract and then hit Next. Mine is defaulting to my C drive, so I will download mine there. You'll need to accept the user agreement, then hit Next, Next again, and then Install. And lastly, you will hit Finished. On the top left side, you should see your printers. Select your printer. You'll need to follow the steps. So the first thing you need to do is disable your Epson processes and services. So basically anything that is in your queue, we want to get rid of that. So what you'll need to do is click here, and then it will take you over into the processes. You may see something, you may not. I currently do have two things in my queue. Next, I'm going to go ahead and select Terminate All, and that way it went ahead and it cleared everything in the queue. The next step is go ahead and turn the printer off. Once it's shut all the way down, you'll want to go ahead and turn the printer back on. Go ahead and hit continue. Select I want to reset waste counter. Click on read waste counter, and you can see here that the waste ink pad counter overflow error is 100.06. That has reached its limit and it needs to be reset, and we'll do that by hitting the reset button. So now we're ready to go ahead and reset the key. You'll want to enter the one-time trial key code, which is trial, and then we're going to go ahead and press OK. And this trial key will set the printer's counter to 80%, and the trial key can only be used once for each printer. Then we're going to go ahead and select yes. In order to apply the changes made to the printer, you will need to turn it off immediately by using the printer power button. And then a successful reset will not complete until the printer has been powered off and on again. And failure to restart the printer now may result in all counters or states returning to the previous settings. So let's go ahead and turn the power off, and then we're going to power it back on again. So you should get a notification that says, congratulations, your printer waste counter has been reset. But we're not finished yet. The next step is to clean your ink pad. This step is also very important, and let me give you an example why. So let's imagine your printer as a bathtub. The ink pad is like your drain. So every time you print, it's like filling the bathtub with water, and the ink pad's job is to drain away the excess ink, just like the drain in the bathtub removes the water. So now when you reset the counter on your printer without cleaning the ink pad, it's like saying, I want to use the bathtub again. However, if the drain is clogged or the ink pad is saturated, it's like having a blocked drain in the bathtub. If you keep printing without cleaning the ink pad, it's like continuously filling the bathtub with water. Eventually, the ink pad, otherwise known as the drain, may get overwhelmed and the ink could start overflowing, creating a mess. So just as you'd want to clear a clogged drain to prevent a flooded bathroom, cleaning the ink pad ensures that excess ink doesn't overflow and cause printing issues. For this step, you'll need to make sure to unplug your printer. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to remove the screw on the panel. Once you remove the screw, pressure on the left side and slide the panel off. The white container is where the residual ink flows into. We will need to unscrew that as well. Before removing the container, you will want to wear some type of latex gloves to prevent ink getting all over your fingers. Then carefully remove the ink pad container. In my Epson, you'll see that there's actually 3 ink pads, and what you'll want to do is remove them and wear gloves for this as well. And that is where all the ink is absorbed into. So you'll want to flush all of the ink out. It took me about 15 minutes because you'll be amazed at how much ink those pads absorb. So you'll just want to just keep rinsing them until they are pretty clean and clear. Then you'll want to make sure that it is completely dry before you place it back in the container. It took my ink pads 2 full days to dry. Since I didn't have 2 days to wait, I ordered an ink pad kit so I could get back to printing ASAP. If you decide to go that route, I purchased mine on Amazon, and it actually came with the ink pad container and the ink pads inside and an extra set of ink pads. So let me show you how to put them back inside the printer, and this will be the same process for you once your ink pads are dry. So these are the original ink pads. I cleaned these as thoroughly as I could, and I'm letting them dry. They are still a little bit damp in here because this absorbs so much ink. Because of that, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I purchased on Amazon since I need to get back to printing right away. So I ordered this box. It includes the container as well, and then extra pads, and then it gives you the gloves and directions and that sort of stuff. So what I'm going to do is just put this back into here, and I'm going to walk you through that step. So you'll notice right here there are grooves where this container slides into. So we'll want to go ahead and make sure it's inside those grooves, and we'll just push this in. And then you'll want to take your Phillips screwdriver again, and you'll want to screw this back in here. And the next step is to put this panel back on, and it will go ahead and slide in, and you'll hear it snap. Then you'll just go ahead and tighten this back in, and we're all set. We're going to go ahead and plug this printer back in, and we are good to go. So I hope this video helped you guys. Leave a comment below, let me know. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.